Alrighty, well, I'm taping this off the camera. Once again, I'm watching the road and not the camera. And I forgot everything. My dash, cam holder, pretty much everything. My battery pack in my flip recorder is just showing me a white screen. Once I get down here and let the dogs out, I will see if I can render that, but I'm driving, so you just kind of gotta bear with me, because it's difficult to dink around and watch the road at the same time. So I am paying attention to the road. Hopefully the cam don't wander too far off, and hopefully my battery will hold up, because normally I take snapshots, not film, with this camera, but it's a dandy camera. That way the sun isn't going down. Well, the sun is down, it's buried in clouds, and I'm fine with some cloud cover. It was brutal hot today, flat, frickin' miserable. I certainly hope that we start getting some cooler temps pretty soon, because this 90-degree crap is killing me. Got some storm clouds over that way. Looks like it's festering up to be a... Well, we could see a little rain, but if we do, I'll just be happy about it, because we need it. And I don't think this camera absorbs light as well as my recorder does. With luck, it'll take a decent film there. Gotta stop and take pics. Hang tight. Alright, I'm recording again. I'm trying to zoom in on those awesome clouds. There they are. I took some snapshots of it. Last ray of the sun. Good night, sun. Adios. Alright, we're back to the road. Hopefully this takes, you know, takes, but I'm gonna see if I can't get some recorder action. Peace out. Alrighty, we're almost to our favorite running spot. Part of the reason I forgot everything was it's gonna get dark quick now that the sun is going to bed, and I am trying to get the dogs out for a stretch since it's cooled down, and then they'll be ready for some dinner, and so why? Again, bear with me because I am not looking at the camera. Kind of dead aiming in it. Of course, you can hear the little crazy one bouncing around the car. She knows where we are. Okay, I'm gonna light this recorder while the dog's potty, and with luck I can record a little bit more. Adios. Alright, well, it's definitely the battery that was jacked up. And of course it was an off-brand, so yeah, it's probably not going to work. Even though it said bigger and crap, it's for flip phones. I don't know if it's for flip phones or not. Or flip videos. Let me rephrase that. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. We're taking a little walk before it gets too dark. As you can see, lots of clouds moving in. And oh, it feels so good. There's the car over yonder. And we're enjoying what's left of daylight. You better not go over that hill, turkey. Little stroll. Make the legs work. They don't like working so good anymore. And my back loathes me. And all sneakers running around. Burn them calories, girl. Enjoy. Sway, don't you be going nowhere. And I mean, when I say I forgot everything, I mean it. I just realized that I got out of the car and had didn't even grab my drink. Come on, kiddos. There's my suede. There's my suede. You're a little girl. You are. Coda, get off her face. Coda, stop that. Stop that. You are not listening. Come on, Coda, wait. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get her. Get her. You get her. You could get her. Get her. Swade's already eyeballing the target. She knows when we get home, it'll be dinner time. Her fave thing to do, besides tippy-toe up, is to eat. You get that dog. You get that dog. Go get her. Go get her. Get her. Swade, get that dog. You get that dog. I know it. You get that stinker. Come on. Get her. Alright, on that note, I'm going to once again, I'll try that stupid battery, that off-band battery. But hey, at least the charger part works. It charged this one actually. The rechargeable here actually says flip on it, just like my camera does. And I didn't get a whole lot of, well, I tried putting it in a couple times, but it looks the same. I guess it's just not the same. So the buyer on eBay will be hearing from her, the seller on eBay will be hearing from me about that. And I might be sending a charger in battery pack back. But right now this is working. I'm really happy that it's working. And I hope it works better than AA batteries. The stinker is on the prowl. And I know what her target is. Are we ready to go have some dinner, Suede? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Suede, you want to go home and have some dinner? You do? You do? You want to have some dinner? Can you hear the breeze howling through the... I know. Kind of eerie. But I like it. Don't you like it, Coda? Coda, what doing? Don't be taking off. Get your nose out of the wind, Suede. Come on. Let's load up and go home. I'll record on my way home. See if it takes. Alrighty. Heading towards home. This might take and it might not. It's actually a pretty good little recorder. It absorbs as much light as it can from, you know, around it. It does not have a, well, it's kind of got like a built-in internal light that, like I said, it's supposed to absorb whatever light it can to keep recording. It is just about dark now. I am glad we got out for at least a few minutes. And like I said, I'm holding the camera, so it might throw you around in who knows what direction, because I really honestly do pay attention to the road. I do not I don't care to wreck or be unsafe, so I do the best I can not to end up in a ditch or somebody's living room. Oh, that would not be good. But well, maybe they're having dinner. Me and the dogs could just have our dinner if they were nice about me crashing into their living room. But it's not recommended. And I mean, in all honesty, I don't need to see the cops. They don't particularly like me, and I don't particularly like them. I'm thinking, you know, I really don't have nothing against them. I'm grateful that we have officers to serve and protect and search and rescue and EMS. All them guys train and work their butts off to keep us safe. With the occasional, you know, there is an occasional redneck that, you know, it just, every once in a while you run into a cop that's just got some serious tude issues. Not sure if, you know, they're new and trying to build a reputation of being badass or what. Some of them just have zero empathy. They, if they can find a reason to pull you over, and I mean it could be anything, and if they're determined to pull you over, they'll figure out some reason to pull you over. And they don't even want to talk about why or what happened or what for. It's just called bank on a ticket. You know, gotta bring home mama some bacon. got to make the condo payment. I kind of get it, but I hate that it's at the expense of. Sometimes, I mean, honestly, there's no reason to do what they do. And it has nothing to do with political, has nothing to do with religion. It's just my opinion. And, you know, I'm allowed to have one of those. We all have one and we're entitled to it. And there's Miss Coda over there doing her good girl duties. My little co-pilot. Sweet's back there all excited because she knows dinner will be soon. We. I don't know what I'm having tonight. I'm really looking forward to when it cools down and we can go up in the woods and do a few cookouts. And yes, it's cooler the higher you go in elevation. But today was so brutal hot that I don't care where you went, there wasn't going to be much of an escape from the heat. So we kind of holed up, visited with my gal pal Zoe online. Always good to see her. I love our Tuesday blabs sessions and rock out sessions, and you know, you can socialize online and meet some really good people. In the meantime, I'm turning this off because I'm about to get into town and I don't think it's cool driving around holding a freaking camera in here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.